Hi guys, welcome to the channel. My name is Samira. It's a season of love. Let's love lead how we view others. On this note, I would love to share with you guys this simple A-line dress I made with 2 yards of crepe material. Is a plain one. Sit back and enjoy it. Please subscribe, give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends and family members. Also ask them to watch this video to the end and give it more watch time to support us. I hope you have your fabric there with you guys. If you have it, bring it out so that we can get started now with our tutorial for today. Don't forget we are making an A-line fitted dress, as you can see here. To start, I will start by marking the width of my dress, which is by 12 inch. Okay, then I'll go ahead now to take the half length of my dress, which is by 15 inch. Then I will draw a line for that. Okay, so that's for the half length. On my hip length, I will go by 23 inch. So I'm marking 23 inch for my hip length. Then I also draw a line for that. So I'm shifting the fabric so that you can see the hip length now. Next is my style line. So I'm going to measure 33 inch. And my full length is by 56 inch. So but that's my style line, which is 33 inch. So that's the full length now, and it's by 56 inch, as you can see on the video. This is my half length, my hip length, and my style line. That's where my A-line shape will start. So I'm just pointing it, as you can see on the video. Okay, I will go now by 5 inch for my neckline. Okay, so I'm shifting the fabric. I want to start for my neckline now. I'm going by 5 inch for that, and it's a boat neckline. So I'm going to bring down the depth of my neckline by 1 inch. Please by 2.5 inch, because I'm sorry about that. Okay, for my shoulder, I'm going to mark 15 inch. Okay, so I will draw my shoulder line. Then I'll use 1 inch to slope my shoulder. Then I'll give a curve for that. My bust is by 34 inch. Then I'll go ahead and add 1.5 inch for my stitching allowance. While on my waistline, I'm going to mark 25 inch and also add 1.5 inch for my stitching allowance. While on my hip measurement is by 34 inch. Then I also add 1.5 inch for my sewing allowance. I'm sorry for that, my camera is not showing that part very well. So I'll just give a curve for my armhole. Alright, so that's for my armhole. Then I'll connect from my bust to my hip. So I'm shifting the fabric so that you can see it. So from my bust, I connected it from my bust to my hip. Okay, so that's the connection there. To shape my style line, that's what I'm pointing at. I will take out from my hip measurement, which is 34 inch. Now I will shape my style line by 30 inch. Okay, hope you are getting it, guys. So I will now connect it from my hip to my style line. Then let me shift it a bit again. So as you can see, I think let me shift it again, because I want you guys to see the hemline. So that now is my hemline. So on my hemline, I will mark 12" to flare it out. So that's what I'm pointing out. So then I will now connect my mark from my start line to my hemline. Alright, before cutting it, guys, don't forget I'm cutting the front piece now. Okay, so I'm connecting the marks together. I'll take it down to my hemline. Please don't forget to give this video more watch time, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Alright, you can also watch the other tutorials that I have already on my channel. Okay, so I'll cut it out now. And don't forget the style that we are cutting today is a simple hairline fitted dress, and I'm using this plain crepe material to achieve this style. I want you to practice it after watching it, okay, so that you get familiar with the styles that we are cutting every week. And that's the essence of making these tutorials, so that you guys can cut and sew the styles that we are making on your own. Okay, and don't forget to share these tutorials with your loved ones, your friends. You can also ask them to also watch the tutorial down to the end. Is another way for you guys to support my channel to grow. Okay, and the style that we are making again is an A-line fitted dress. Is a long one, and we are cutting the front piece now. So just keep on watching this particular tutorial down to the end for you to see the fitness and for you to understand it more. Okay, so the next step is for us to cut the back piece. So we are going to use this particular one that we have cut out to cut that. For my back piece, I'll just go ahead and add 1" for my zipper allowance. Okay, so that's the for the shoulder, which is by 1". Alright, so now I want to cut my V shape at the back. Okay, so I'm going to just mark 7". Okay, for my neckline. So that is, I brought the neckline down by 7" and it's a V shape at the back. Alright, so I want you to follow the procedure when cutting your own. Okay, so we have marked our neckline now, just for me to cut it out. Alright, don't forget the front neckline is a boat neck line, and you saw the measurement that we took for that. So when cutting your own, so just follow the procedure and you're going to get it. I want you to also watch the way I'm going to cut the down of it, because it's going to have a longer length at the back while the front will be shorter. Okay, so that's what I'm trying to show you guys now. So I'm shifting the fabric so that you guys can see the bottom of the fabric, so that when cutting your own, you'll be able to cut and sew it by yourself. Okay, so let me shift it a bit now. I want the back length to a bit longer than the front, so I'm going to just mark 5" to make it longer and give a curve. So I'm cutting it out now. Okay, so after that, I'm going to just open my zipper allowance. Alright, so guys, give this video a thumbs up so that more people can get to see it and watch and also learn from it, guys. And if you have not subscribed to my channel, this is the time for you to subscribe now. Okay, and you can also share it with your friends, with your loved ones. You can also ask them to also subscribe to my channel. So we want to cut out the V neckline at the back. So this is how to go about it when cutting your own. So just follow the procedure that we used in cutting it. You are going to get it. So let me open it out for you so you can see it. So when stitching in, this is how you just fold it. Okay, so let's cut our sleeve now. It's a simple sleeve. So my length is by 8 inch, while my width is by 8 inch also, and my armhole is by 1 inch. While my round sleeve I'm marking 13 inch. So I'll just connect the marks together and cut it out. It's a simple sleeve that we are making today. So after cutting it, I will stitch my front piece and my back piece together, and my dress is ready for us to wear out now. Guys, I hope you understood what we did today. Don't forget to give this video more watch time, and please subscribe, turn on notification bell to get notified to see my next tutorial. Please give this video more watch time. Thank you for watching. Remember, I love you all. I will see you in my next one.